Hi guys, my name is Shivnath, and in this video I'm going to show you the updates that I have made to the D2D folders project. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I would like to show you guys is how to see the file path. So in order to see this file path, all you have to do is hover over this title of any file and you will get to see the file path. So let me try to, okay. So let me also show you it in the search, and here also you will see that the file path will appear over here. So there is a small issue here. When you start to do it very fast, it appears multiple times sometimes. So it is not happening right now. Okay, it happened once but it just went away, and I'm just trying to replicate that issue right now. So when you do it very quickly, you will see that this kind of multiple things are happening. So I have to stop it somehow. So yes, so this is the issue that is happening right now. Otherwise, it works perfectly. You can see that the path is shown, and I'm going to fix that issue in the future update. And the next thing that I would like to show you guys is how to download files. So let me first of all go to my download folders and clear out the downloads first so that we know that downloads are happening. Right click on it, download file. Okay, once you download the file, mine is set to open, so I will go to downloads. You can see that this file has been downloaded and it will be downloaded with the name of the title. All right, so the next thing that we should see is the bulk action. So how we can download files in bulk. So I will select multiple files. So how I'm selecting it, I'm control clicking on the file. So control and click on the file and it will be selected. If you don't want to click on control, what you can do is you can just click on this checkbox and it will have the same effect. It will also get it selected. So right now I've selected 1 2 3 4 5 6 files. So in order to confirm whether I have selected 6 files, you can see up here it is written selected files is 6. And in order to download, okay, this is the issue that I'm talking about. Look at this. So this kind of things, duplication is happening. But again, when you hover over some file, it will just go away. So I will fix it. So anyways, so in order to download the files, you have to come to this mass action and you have to download selected. Once you do it, the process will start, and let's see whether it was successful or not. Let's show in folder. It is happening. 3 of the files have been downloaded and others are also going to get downloaded. So you can see right now 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all 6 files have been downloaded here. And okay, so the next thing that we should see is, okay, so the next thing that we should see is how to delete multiple files. So whenever you do a multiple file delete, you can only delete the files that you have created, or the authorities can only delete the files. So right now I have not applied roles here. Right now I am checking the user, who is the user, and then I'm accordingly allowing the delete. So if I go to uh, so again I can select the files by clicking, control clicking on it, and you will see that all the files have been selected. So I have selected 4 files here. Also you can see 4 files are selected, and I can just go and delete selected. So I will click on this delete selected, and when I write confirm, so yes, so it will ask you to confirm it, and you have to write confirm over here, and then click on it, and all the 4 files have been deleted. And there is also a small issue here. After deployment, I observed this issue. This is a small issue. It is not going to affect the functionality in any way, but still I'm going to fix it. Let me show you the issue. So after I have deleted it once I click on another set of files to delete, you will see what will happen. So let me confirm and control. Look at here. After those files are gone, if another file takes its place, it is shown as selected, but actually this file is not selected. There is no selection. Okay, so you cannot delete this file. There is no selection. So in order to prove that, I will just go out of here and I will come in again. So you will see that there is no selection. Somehow there is some kind of bug here, which I'm going to fix in the next. So there are two issues here, but rest are working fine. Okay, so the last thing that I would like to show you is uh, the how it is going to look like in a high resolution screen. So let me see. So I was checking in the resolution of MacBook Pro. So I will just turn on MacBook Pro resolution, and I will just remove this one from here, and you can see, so in MacBook Pro the appearance of the project will be like this. So if I go uh, to the live data, I will go to Javeds folder. So you can see in MacBook Pro resolution, which is 2560 by 1600, you will see something like this. So you can see, and if I look at the folders, how the folders are looking, so it is centered, and you can see that there is a texture. So right now it is not visible. Let me just zoom in, and you will get to see that there is a textured background over here, which will be shown on the sides. So this was all for this update. Thanks for watching.